Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I will show you how to apply any skin to your laptop. So this is my first attempt. Simple mistakes are bound to happen. You can purchase these skins from any e-commerce site like Amazon or Flipkart. Now without further ado, let's dive in. So to apply it onto any surface, we need to clean the surface. Here I am using the cleaning gel and microfiber cloth to clean. You can use any other cloth you like. Now that your surface is clean, it's time to select the orientation or direction of the skin you want to apply. Here I will use the 180-degree upwards so that it will not look upside down when the laptop is open. Now just peel the skin and apply it onto the surface. Use your credit card to remove any bubble forming while you are applying it. If you want to apply it onto the sides too, then you can use the card or any other tool to bend it evenly. As some older laptops have thicker screen, here my screen is not that thick, so I will not apply it to the sides. But I will apply it to the bottom back side where the hinge is located. Now time to cut the extra skin. You can use any cutter to cut it down, but take your time when you cut it. You will scratch or damage the laptop by being hasty. Now time for the other half of the skin. So this step is optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. So the skin is for the bottom keyboard space. If you want to apply it, you can use the same process of cleaning and cutting. But I didn't like it here, so I have removed it after a few hours. Also be extra careful while cutting it down near the touchpad. Now that's all from this video. Now that the skin is applied, do like the video and do subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. This is shaFs and I will catch you in the next one.